y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in a blue exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice the blue grille as well as your blue accents with running fog lights. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. A couple things to point out on the exterior is you will have heated mirrors as well as running boards. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium black cloth along with a black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you'll have 16 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 15 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 14 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium black cloth interior will stay the same. Not to mention on the back of the center console, you will have your powered windows as well as 2 cup holders. Coming here to the rear, we're going to go ahead and open up the trunk to show you guys the trunk size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power locks and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just under 64,000 miles on it. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your headlight and fog light options, as well as your dash brightness, your turn signals, and your bright lights. The right knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your talking options, as well as your dashboard options. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready. You will also have your powered windows here in the center, as well as your climate control options. You will have a 12-volt plug-in, as well as your traction control. You will also have your powered mirrors. You will have your four-wheel drive options here. You will also have your gear shifter, your park and brake, 2 cup holders, and a large center console. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 3.6L V6 F2HC24V engine. Notice too that our engine base comes extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you will have a couple of stone chips, as well as a couple of scratches. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will have a couple of chips, as well as a couple of scratches. Here on the rear driver's side fender, you will have a couple of chips, as well as a couple of scratches. These are all pre-owned vehicles here at All Things Automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in a blue exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here at All Things Automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, PA.